Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today it's another trying to fix video, and we're going to be trying to fix this power bank here. Now I'm with my brother Paul in this video today, and this is his power bank. He bought it second hand quite a few years ago and it's been working fine until recently, and now it's gone, well, it's not completely dead, it's completely dead when it comes to charging, but yet you can charge this up itself. What we're thinking is maybe the kids use it a lot, maybe it's been dropped. So check this out now. If I plug the micro USB into the actual device itself, you will see that it is showing that it's charging. And also, if I tap this on button twice, you can see the little light comes on. So there's definitely a certain amount of power there. But look, even though it's charging here now, if I plug a phone into it, it will do absolutely nothing. You see? Hasn't lit up here. And let's plug in this little USB reader thing. Well, there you go. I don't even need to plug anything into it because you can see that the USB reader is not detecting 5 volts in any of them, even though the lights are still on here. And if I unplug it, it's exactly the same thing. So it's slightly strange that it's kind of partially dead, but not when it comes to actually charging it up. But maybe there's different circuits on the inside. So my brother rang me, said did I want to do a video on this, and I thought it might be quite an interesting one. Why not? So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and open it up. Now, what do you reckon, Paul? Just prise it open?
I think it must be just prised open, I'd imagine. Yeah, push fit plastic, I'd imagine.
Yeah, okay. Oh, here we go.
Oh, excellent.
Hold on 1 second. Might be able to just do it with my nails.
Oh,
yes.
It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lucky it's not glued.
Wait a minute. No, I think I do need a tool. Let me get some... try and prise it open. Right, here we go. We're in. We're in. So let's zoom in a bit so as you can see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells, 3.7 volts each. And already I can see that, well, there you go, that's loose there. If you have a look at this bit here, which connects up the cells to this sort of protection board, it's loose. So I suppose that
would they be lithium cells, Vince?
I think they're lithium. Yeah, they must be, mustn't it? I don't know how you can tell. There's nothing written on it anywhere. Yeah, so with lithium we've got to be really careful because these things can go on fire really easily if they get too hot or if you pierce it and stuff. But I'm looking there and that looks dodgy. In fact, that looks, I don't know whether that's had a repair in the past, but it doesn't look great. Now, using soldering irons anywhere near lithium is dangerous because obviously these can go on fire. But what I'm thinking is, if I just hold this there like that and apply the heat directly to here, then really the heat is kind of away from the lithium. So I personally feel safe enough doing this. But obviously, like I say in all my videos, please don't copy what I'm doing because I'm sure this is not the safe way of doing it. Right, so I've got my soldering iron set to 370. I'm just going to add a little bit of flux on here just to help it, help the old solder there flow a bit. Right, okay, let's go do this. Let's zoom right in. Let's wait for the explosion. I think that might have taken. Alright, let's have a look at that. Make sure it's not against anything else. Well, okay, so that's it all cleaned up, and what we did is we did just lift this up because when we look closely, my brother did notice that it does say C1 here. So this must have been a place for a capacitor between here and here. This one here does definitely say battery minus, so I'm sure it would have been fine. But what we've done is we've just lifted it clear of every other pad apart from the pad that it's supposed to be on, because obviously we don't want it to cause a fire if it's constantly in touch with something else. Even though that might not be relevant, it's just peace of mind. So that is it. It's definitely on there nice and strong, because when I wiggle it about, it's not showing any sign of movement from the solder joint. So let's pop the top on, and that should be, pop the bottom on, and that should be it. Right, okay, let's give it one plug in, see if it's still lighting up, which it is, so that's fine there. Press the light twice, it comes on and it indicates here, and when we plug this in now, you can see now that the phone is charging. So what a nice easy fix, and again it saves that from being thrown away or recycled, so it saves a little bit of money and also keeps it out of landfill, so that's good. So yeah, thanks a lot for letting me video that, Paul, and we've got plenty more to do today now, so we're going to get on with the other fixes. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more trying to fix videos. Take care, bye now.